So I recently did a video of how you can create Windows installation media on a USB flash drive, where I downloaded the ISO file from Microsoft and used a utility called Rufus to copy the install files onto a USB flash drive. I'll put a link above in case you want to check that one out. And I just wanted to follow that up with a quick video on doing the reverse of that. So this demo is going to be about how you can turn your USB installation media back into an ISO file. And one reason you might want to do this is if you've customized your Windows install in any way and you just want to put it back onto an ISO file so that you can pass it on to someone else. Another reason might be that you want to install Windows onto a virtual machine. It's usually quicker to install from an ISO file rather than pass through a USB device to a VM. Either way, let's get into the demo. So we need three things to be able to do this. We first need a USB flash drive containing the installation media in which we want to use to create the new ISO file from. We also need an existing Windows installer ISO file. So we're going to use this as a template, and that's because it's a bootable ISO file. It doesn't matter whether it's Windows 10 or Windows 11, we're going to remove the contents and replace it with our own. And then lastly, we just need to download a free utility called AnyBurn. So I'll go to the AnyBurn.com website. I'm just going to click on the 64-bit link to download it. It's only a small file, so it should only take a few seconds to download. We'll double click that to install it. We can just accept all the default prompts to install. Click next. I'm just going to uncheck launch AnyBurn after installation and click close. We'll get rid of this website now. Okay, we can double click on the shortcut on the desktop to open the AnyBurn application. I'm going to go down to edit image file. We now need to select an image file, so I'm just going to browse to my template ISO file, which is in my download folder. We'll double click on that one to select it and click next. So this is the existing ISO file, so we just need to remove the contents of that. So select all the files and click remove. Say yes to confirm. We now need to browse to our USB flash drive. I'm going to press Ctrl A to select all of the files, and then I'm just going to drag that onto my AnyBurn utility window. We don't need to worry about this too much. Normally you would need to select a bigger ISO size, but because we're modifying an existing ISO file, it'll be all okay. I'm just going to go ahead and click next. Now you can accept the current name if you like, but that will overwrite your existing ISO template. If you want to keep that, then we can just give this new ISO another name and it will just create a brand new file. So I'm just going to call it Windows New and click Create Now. That's going to go ahead and create the new ISO file. Okay, that's our new ISO file created. Can browse to our download folder, and there's the new file. You can now mount that inside a VM and install Windows. So hopefully you found that useful. Leave a comment if you have any questions, comments or feedback. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the demo. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want more content like this. And that just leaves me to say thanks for watching and bye for now.